Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Sets Exercise 1.1 Fifth Sum. Let's see the question. List all the elements of the following set. So we are going to write the elements of the following set, means we need to write it in roster form, because we are going to write the elements. Elements are nothing but the elements in the roster form. So we are going to write in the roster form. Here in the first subdivision it's given that A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. So it is given that x is a odd natural number. We know that odd natural number, it is from 1, 3, 5, 7 and it goes on. They have not given the end, so we don't know the end. It goes on till the infinitive. So a equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 will be your answer for will be your answer for first one. We'll move on to the second one, that is b is equal to x such that x is an integer from minus 1 by 2, x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and x is less than 9 by 2. We know the number in between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. In between means we can't write minus 1 by 2, we can write to be 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2, 7 by 2, 8 by 2. So these are the number in between x, but they have asked for integers. That is, these are rational numbers. We need to write the integers. So leaving, solve it and check 0 by, thing is 0. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So your answer for B is equal to, I need to select only the integers. So my integers will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So be careful with the question. They have asked only for the integers. If they have asked for rational numbers, you can write all the numbers. But here they have asked for integers. Your integers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll move on to the third one. The third one, the question is C is equal to x such that x is an integer, x square is less than or equal to 4. For x square less than or equal to 4, the number, the x, we need to find the x, and it's given that x square is less than or equal to 4. So you can substitute the values for x. As it is an integer, it can be in negative form also. So we know that less than 4 is 3. So it can be minus 3, it can be minus 2, it can be 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here the condition is x square should be less than 4. If I take 3 less than or equal to 4, if I take 3 is 3 square will be 9, minus 3 square will be also 9. So which is not less than or equal to 4. So this condition does not satisfy here. So minus 2 to 2. Substitute here and check. Minus 2 the whole square will be 4, which is equal to 4. And minus 1 the whole square will be 1, which is equal to 4, which is less than 4. So my answer will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So as it is an integer, I have written all the integers which are x square less than or equal to 4. We'll move on to the fourth one. The fourth question, it is given that D equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So as I told before, in the set only once the letter element should come. Here L, O, Y, A already. L is there, so you can't write it, you can't repeat any element. So L, O, Y, A will be your answer for this fourth sum. We'll move on to the fifth one. It is given that E is equal to x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. The condition here is just the month not having 31 days. People have doubts that whether February to be included. Here the condition is not having 31 days. February doesn't have 31 days, so we should include even February. So February, April, June, September, November. So these are the month which does not have 31 days. Some has 30, here February can have 28 or 29. So you should include February. This is the doubt most students have. We'll move on to the sixth one. In the sixth question, it is asked that f is equal to x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes k. So the letter, what is called consonant? Consonants are English letters having which does not form vowels. That is, the other than vowels are called consonants. So the other condition is precedes k. So before k we need to conclude it. A is a vowel, so we can't write B, C, D. Similarly, E is a vowel, so leave it off. F, G, H, I is a vowel, leave it. J, before K means we can't include K. So leaving K, I have written the rest. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.